Meaning of hypersensitivity.
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 Hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity refers to an excessive or exaggerated reaction of the immune system to a foreign substance, such as an allergen or pathogen. This can result in various symptoms, including itching, sneezing, coughing, wheezing, rashes, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening allergic reaction. Hypersensitivity can be classified into 4 types, each with different underlying mechanisms and clinical manifestations. Treatment involves avoiding trigger substances, using medications to control symptoms, and in some cases, allergy immunotherapy to desensitize the immune system to specific allergens.